What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap my short on WHLM, 2K profits in only about an hour of work. Take that any day of the week. But of course, the profits are not important. Let's look at the winning, the percentage, and let's look at the chart. So I was looking at this. I said this in the chat from the July 27th big resistance day. You can see the VWAP there was 10.5. So the VWAP kind of shows you where the average bag holder is trapped. But in this case, you also go to the intraday chart on demand and you see where the consolidations are. That tells you where the average long is trapped at. So the area of interest was around 10 to 10.5, and I started shorting close to 10. I got in a little bit early just because the market's been very weak. A lot of these things were just straight dumping, so I took a starter around 9.5, added at 10, risking that 10.5. Very good risk to reward there, risking about 5%, and I covered at my final cover was at 7.18. So we're talking about, let's see, about 25% gain, right? So a 5-to-1 risk to reward. You can't go wrong with that setup any day of the week. So this is just an A plus setup for me. I'll take this any day of the week. The market's been very slow lately. So only my third trade of the month, but can't complain. If the setups aren't there, you just have to go with what the market gives you and just follow your process. I mean, um, during these slow periods in the past, I would lose a lot of money taking, subpar setups and just bleeding, taking a lot of paper cuts. And by the time the market came back, I was just trying to make back what I had lost during the boring times. So now I'm kind of in the mindset where my goal is really not to make money this month. It's to preserve my capital and to not lose money. And that being said, I'm up comfortably on the month at this point, and my goal is just to make it through this lull period where it's slow, and then when the opportunities present themselves again, I know my account will grow a lot more, and I'll be even a better trader, sticking to my rules and habits every day while the market's slow. It's not easy to not trade for a week. Last week I took one trade. And it takes a lot of discipline, but building those good habits, I believe in the long term, will get me very far in this industry. So anyhow, did I show the profits? I did. Okay. If you want to check out the chart, I'll post the chart on in my chat and maybe on my Twitter page, which I just opened up. So if you want to see my entries and exits, that'll be over there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something, and see you in the next one.